Hi guys, I'm gonna do my makeup. My name's Hannah. I put this on my head to protect my hair from makeup. I have these two silver sticks. I put it on my eyebrow to make them darker. Then I brush them to make them smooth. I put this weird brown stuff on my face everywhere I can. Then I blend it with my brush. I put more of that silly brown stuff on my face, and then I blend it again with the brush. Then I have this brown thing, and it just goes on the tip of my cheek. I put pink blush on my face on top of the brown stuff. And then I do my nose. After I do my nose, I put gold glitter on my cheek over the two other things. Then I have a palette of different colors. I put it on my eyes. I picked brown, and then I pick a darker brown, and I smudge it on the side. Now I'm picking a glittery gold. I put it on my finger, and I tab it on my eye. Once I do that, I decide to put hair on my eye. Then I move it with my finger. I put black smudges on my eyes. Then I get these two other brown things. I put it on my lips. One is darker. And I put it on. Then I put on the glossy one over the dark one. Then I move my hair to the side, and we're done.